You probably just never had it.
Yeah, I've never had one.
Oh, you're gonna love it.
It sounds fun.
That actually does smell like weed.
Brahmachari.
Vishnu.
Vishnu, yes.
One,
Govinda, Gopapalava, and Garangi.
see.
And your wife is also
So one of them.
youngest.
That and very large woman. What is their age?
2 months.
2 months only. Wow. You should also like. Right? Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama.
You can turn your wheel slightly, or not really?
I should come here or here?
Get in the back. No, stay back from the wheel, please. Stand back, everyone.
One horse, not two. One horse. One day two. Yes. But today one horse. You want to drive? What about the dumbbell? You want to drive?
I'm going to bring other horse in.
Who should bring Danda?
She's doing so good.
Junior?
ये अभी लास्ट में इन्होंने ये खरीदा है। Middle age, yeah.
No.
Young or
I can drive him. Yeah. How many dollars? Oh, very good, very good. Can you take this? Oh, you should come here.
Hare Krishna.
Of his own or not. Then I am. You should go deep. Okay? Where is your husband? Then he discount otherwise. That's why he's and we come back on the third. Then there.
Oh, the lead. So I didn't, when I booked these tickets for Viva, right? I just have to give us the time. So I said,
Where you at? And when that used to come on that first corridor.
Everybody can move up just a little bit more, and then people can move in.
The time? ঘড়িটা কত? 10 ঘন্টা বলুন। I wanted to come here 5:30, but 1 hour I became late.
নামগুলো ঘোষণা আছে, নাম নিয়েছে।
জলদি করো, জলদি জলদি।
নাকি তো বন্দনা তো পরেই করবেন নাকি?
अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै वञ्चाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो महावदन्याय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नाम्ने गौरत्विषे गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालयै कृष्णाय कृष्ण भक्ताय तद्भक्ताय यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातरया जुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तर्वोऽभिनेदु तं सर्वभूतहृदयं First of all, I want to give my heartily Dandavat Pranam in the lotus feet of my spiritual master Nitya Leela Pravishta Om Vishnu Pasisman Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami and my Shiksha Guru Nitya Leela Pravishta Om Vishnu Pasisman Bhakti Vedant Swami Maharaj. Today is Ekadashi. You know all about Ekadashi, and sometimes I have discussed about this, that we have 11 senses, including mind. By this, today, Ekadashi, we will always want to be nearer Supreme Personality of Godhead. So if all senses are serving Him, mind remembering, ears hearing Hari Katha, eyes seeing deities, head doing pranam to Bhagavatam and deities and devotees, mouth, tongue speaking Hari Katha and doing kirtan, Nam Sankirtan. Fates coming here. This is now a tirtha, very
Sacred.
strong and sacred tirtha this is. where Harikatha Srimad Bhagavatam is going on. So coming to this place and doing archan and all other things. By being all endeavors and activities, you will surely be with Godhead. There are two gains in this. We can gain by two different ways, outwardly and inwardly. Inwardly, this very day, if you go to see, we can see from today ocean coming up and so big
Waves.
waves. Gradually up to full moon or
New moon.
new moon. Why? Because moon has some concern with water. So we have water in our body. So if you are not controlling anything, that any disease in our body, it will increase from that, from today, Ekadasi, and up to full moon or
New moon.
new moon. Surely, if you are fasting solely, then moon has no bad effect. But if you are taking grains, chapati, roti, and bread, water so much, then it will affect so much. You can go and take the accounts of the big hospitals. You will see that so many more rogi patients are dying from this today and within full moon or that.
New moon.
And after you say that not normal. No? Why? We know this, that any rogue can go up and they may die. So if you are not taking anything, then anything, all things will be controlled and good effect will come. Your body will be very strong and very halka,
Healthy.
healthy
Light.
Light.
and light. Your digestion will be okay. And if you are not controlling, that is, you are taking so much bread and all these things, these are like blotting paper. If you are taking water, it will go. It will come as a urine or anything, sweats. Like if you are giving anything on any stone or any
Iron.
oil cloth, they will go away. But if there is a cotton, heavy cotton, so much cotton,
Heap of cotton.
and you are giving water, it will not dry. It will take so much days to dry. If you will do like this, even there is water there. So grain, chapati, roti, oh, so much thanks to you. Come on, come on. There is so much place here. So much place here. You should come. I'm happy to meet you. Also, I'm happy to meet a pujari who was in Mayapur at first. I forgetting his name. What? Now he has a son and wife.
Krishna. Madan Mohini.
No,
Husband.
that is,
Area of Vrindavan.
yes, Ramananda Roy.
Ramanand Rai. Where is Ramanand Rai? Not here?
He's here. He's getting dressed. He's by his car still.
Achha. Now I'm so happy that so many devotees are coming and inspiring. They are inspiring me, I am not inspiring them. Like Prabhupada used to tell that all are inspiring me to tell Hari Katha, Hari Katha. If none was there, to whom I could have spoke Hari Katha. So I think that I am so much indebted to you all that you are making me, inspiring me to tell Hari Katha.
Ramananda Rai.
No. Thank you, Ramananda Rai. Very good. So, I was telling that if you would give water to cotton, then it will take so much water. So, grains and chapatis and breads or anything prepared by grains, then it will like that. So, it will consume so much water. And moon has a bad affection and it will take it out. So disease may come. So to control our rishis, Maharshi, they are very realized in these things. Either in these worldly things and either in spiritual things. Both. So it has been told that we should not take any grain. If you are not taking grain, and if you are so much hungry and you are the male and female of Kali Yuga, no harm, you can take some water. Some juice, but not in minute. This is angur rush.
Grape juice.
And after rabadi you know, then malai came, then mango juice, and then apple juice, and after that we can make very good chapatis with butter and aloo,
Potato flour.
so many things. And aloo dum, you know, in India aloo dum means?
Boiled potato.
Oh, there is no word.
Delicious vegetable made of potatoes.
And taking, then it will be bad effect. So you can take just 2 times in a day water. And if you cannot do, then you can take some fruits, vegetables, only to 1 time. When? In the evening this time. And if you cannot do, even you are feeling so weak, then you can take 2 times. And water or any liquid thing, very little. Not so much, otherwise there is no food of Ekadasi. You know, and also it is worldly things, but it is good for our health. Also, it will be saved so much. For poor persons, it may be said that if you are taking only water, nothing else, then nothing, no. But if you are taking so many things, juice, this, that, and dry foods here, there, then it will cost so much. So you should follow these things. And for internal and spiritual, if you are hearing only one name, or chanting and remembering Krishna, hearing Srimad Bhagavat in the councils of so many devotees, then quickly you will develop your Krishna prema. Quickly. So Krishna has become himself Ekadasi for us, those who are fallen or conditioned souls. Ekadasi has no caste and creed, anything. That if Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati will initiate anyone, then Ekadasi will give fruit. Nothing like this. Anyone without caste and creed and anything, any line, demarcation line, anyone follow, he will gain internally and outwardly. You know the history of Durvasa and
Ambarish Maharaj.
Ambarish Maharaj. Ambarish Maharaj engaged in worldly things. He was not renounced sannyasi or brahmachari. He was a very great ruler, very big kings, wife and daughters and sons and anything, so much thing. Big khajana, treasure. So much Sanya Dal,
Army.
army,
Great army.
so many commanders, so many priests. But he was more superior than Durvasa Rishi. He was Brahmagyani. He can give any benediction that he should just now die. Anyone can die. If anyone died, he will tell, oh, sprinkle water. Come on, why you are sleeping? He may come. But even he is more superior, and he was doing this. And he wanted to test Durvasa. And you know this history, I am not going to tell. So he was defeated like that. He thought that I'll have to give honor to Ekadashi, not to any Brahmagyani or Yogi or anything. He wanted to give respect to both. But fact there was some contradiction. He preferred that Ekadashi should be more honor than this class of Brahmins. No? So you know this. Also you know the history of Chitrangad and Dharmangad. Dharmangad was a king. Rukmangad. King and son? Dharmangad. Rukmangad was a very big emperor, and he was observing Ekadashi, not taking anything. Before Ekadashi, in night not taking, in morning what he has taken. And after that, no water, nothing. Second down at Ekadashi, quite fully fasting. And third day, he took some Mahaprasadam after honoring all Vaishnavas and worshipping Krishna. And no sleep in 3 nights. First night, second Ekadasi night, no sleep, always chanting, remembering, doing all these things. And third day, then one time taking prasadam and paran, and after that no taking. This is the Ekadashi. But you cannot follow all, especially in Kali Yuga. He was in perhaps Satyayuga. So something has been given. What?
Concession.
Concession has been given. But you don't take
Full concession.
Najaiz fayda mat uthao.
Advantage.
Disadvantage of this.
Advantage.
Undue advantage.
Undue advantage is there. Try to follow as much you can do. So he was practicing like that, and he used to make announcement that my whole praja, my whole subjects should obey me, and they should
Observe
Ekadashi. All he used to do. When he became older, he gave his kingdom and all things to his boy. What name? Rukmangad. And then he left his kingdom, and he wanted to go in dense forest and chanting Rememberam Hari. After 50 years, he went there, and he was doing all rites, everything. But one day, a very beautiful teeny a girl came. She was half naked, taking some flower from this plain, and he came in front of king. King told that, "Oh, you are so beautiful. Who are you? And why you are coming here?"
Alone.
She told that I was searching my husband, but in whole world I never seen any that I can
Mary.
marry him. But now I am seeing you, oh, so beautiful, young. Though your age is
More than
50, but you are like 16 age. So I like to marry. That king told, oh, I have left all these things, but you are so beautiful that I cannot neglect you. So I also want. Then the girl told that if you are married, then we will have to come to kingdom again and to be king. Oh,
No problem.
no problem. I will obey you. She told that you will have to obey me. If anything will be, I will tell you, and if you will not obey, then at once I will quit you, divorce you, and I will go to anywhere.
Anywhere else.
King told that, yes, I will try to obey you always and always. I will not neglect. Then he sent any message to his son that I am returning with my new wife. When his son heard this, he became very joy that now my father is coming. He told to his mother, Mother, king is coming with new marriage
Queen.
wife. So you should not think that I am queen. You should treat her like queen, like your elder sister, and try to serve both. And I will also try to do. Nowadays, very hard to what?
To follow like this.
If any wife will see that his husband is smiling and talking to any girl, especially teeny, especially so beautiful, then they will be
Upset.
What to do? What to do? And if they will see again, then they may suicide, or they may anything. They may give poison to his husband also, and that beloved also. Anything they can. All intentions go away. But see, Queen himself came with his son, and he took arti of both, and took dust of husband, and he showed herself that I am their dasi, maid servant like this. He used to serve them like king and queen, and he gave up his false ego that I am queen, always giving preference to them, and son like so. We should try to be a wife like this. If our husband is talking, smiling anything, that what harms to you? Any harm? If he is loving that and that also both. Krishna used to have so many queens. I think that Rukmini has not objected. Has she? Or Satyabhama?
Satyabhama did.
No. She used to have some man with Krishna, not to all his sisters. No. Some man. And in this sphere, transcendental, not all these things, but something.
Increasing love.
So they were in this term, and when Ekadasi came, then his son Dharmangat was declaring everywhere that tomorrow is Ekadasi. All should observe. Then new queen told to his husband, oh, what is this silly things? What is Ekadasi? we should not do Ekadasi. I will not follow, and you should not follow. Because king should be very, very smart and very strong, and if we will fast, then we will be so weak, and you cannot control the kingdom. So you must take this. Then husband told, I cannot give up Ekadasi. I must follow, observe Ekadasi. And you should try to also observe Ekadasi. She told that, I am calling all the Brahmins and they should come. And if they are telling that king should take observe Ekadasi, then you can observe Ekadasi. And if they are telling that there is no rule regulation in Shastra for observing Ekadasi for king or any ruler, then you will have to do. He told that you should invite them. And all Brahmins came, and in the meantime, in the night, she gave so much bribe to them, Brahmins. Especially in Kali Yuga, Brahmins became very greedy. They can give up anything if you will give them some Indian 1 rupee even. They can give anything. So they were greedy, and they took so many golden coins, and they declared that a king should not do Ekadasi. Anywhere in Shastra, in Bhagavatam, in Gita or Puran, never it has been told. It has been only told for widows, those who are so too much old, they cannot digest, for them. And that old person who cannot sit like this, no digestion, they are going to die, they have nothing to do, for them it is. Those who are married, the wife should not take. Those who are husband is alive, they should not take. And the little girls should not take. Boys should not take. Only the person who are widow, like, and for ladies they are widow, they can take it. But not necessary. But for rulers, a king like you, never it has any rule for this. Then she became so happy and told that you should follow all the Brahmins. He told that not any among them, any is not Brahmin. I will not follow them. They are greedy, I know. They don't know the scripts and anything. Then she told that if you are neglecting me, then at once I am giving you and I am going to my place, my father home. He told that you can do. No harm. Then when she became ready to go, in the meantime that old queen came. Not X. The mother of Dharmanga. First marriage.
First queen.
And she requested. And he felt his head on the new queen's feet.
Mohini.
Why you are doing so? You are my sister. I am giving you good suggestion. You should try to obey your husband. And he is doing for his childhood life. You should try to obey. Oh, I can obey. And allow, only one condition is there. That if you and king both will kill your son and give me his head in a golden pot.
As a gift.
As a gift to me, then I can allow that king should do it. Observe Ekadasi. Oh, she became very happy. Oh, very happy. We were doing at once. She went to the king and told that you should obey me also, but because I am your wife and good wife. So I want that my son, after 10 years, after 20 years, after 100 years, he will die. So why we cannot kill him for this very big cause? We will be
transferred to heavenly planets.
माने उसके लिए आदर्श रहेंगे.
Will be ideal for whole world.
We will be ideal for whole world for whole time. Following Ekadasi. King was not ready. He told that I don't like a wife like her. He should go away. But anyhow, that queen pacified him. Then became ready. And hearing this, the son Dharmangad became so happy, so happy. My life is successful. I'm serving my father and mother. 2 mothers I'm serving. So he gladly accepted. And when they came to cut his head, at once the girl was changed as a deity.
No.
सुनो तो. And at once Dharma came. Not Krishna, but any manifestations of Krishna. Dharmaraj came at once and took his hands. Don't do. I have sent this girl to only to test, and you have passed the examinations. Ekasi told that that lady Mohini, you are passed in examination. But I want one thing, that if anyone will take grain in Ekadasi, too much eating anything, his all good karmas, activities, the fruit of all those, I should gain. If anyone doing that. In Ekadasi, if anyone taking grain, then all kinds of sin should come in that person, and his all good should come to me. And she was Mohini Devi. So you can see how gainful this is. You are not realizing this fact. Anyone should know that Ekadasi is the mother of bhakti. No?
Yes, Mother of the Bhakti.
If any observing in the right way Ekadasi, bhakti automatically coming. Anyone in this world, whether he is in Vaishnava or not Vaishnava, anything, no demarcation, anything. But if they will do like this, what I told, surely they will be happy, and also they will be gaining bhakti more and more. So on Ekadasi, by Ekadash senses, 11 senses, we can do Shravanam, Kirtanam, Vishnu, Smaranam, Padasevanam, Archanam, Vandanam, Dasham, Sakham, Nivedanam. More than that, we can do 64 kinds of bhakti a day. Nothing. Today I will take leave from my office, worldly affairs. From beginning, in morning, doing arti, until night, I will never do any worldly things, not taking any grain. Oh, very easy. And always reading Bhagavad, hearing Bhagavad, doing all the activities. Certainly we'll gain. I saw in India one day that a cow was dying. Anyhow, she was dying, but soul was not coming out. Her stomach was like very big, so much full gaya tha. Swollen. And eyes were coming out, full of tears, and so sad, looking all, but doing nothing. My one of the disciple, lady, old, she was passing through that way, and she saw. And he at once came to me, weeping that a cow, not dying and not saving. What should I do? I told that, have you done so many Ekadasi? Yes. How many? So many. From childhood I am doing. Taking any grain? Never. In Mathura, all little children, little babies, also girls, so many persons, quite fast, not taking water and grain or anything. Also, no sleep in night. So she told that, I've done so. I told that, can you give your fruit of one ekadasi to that cow? Oh, surely. I told that you should go and tell her in her ears, oh Go Mata, oh Mother Go,
Cow.
I am giving my fruit of one ekadasi to you, and you should take it. And when she told in her ears, at once it looked
Towards
her and quickly
immediate.
The body.
at once she went. All were wondering, oh, how is quickly, and it has been done. So you should know like this. And he also told, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram. Hence you also put some tulsi and Ganga water in his
Mouth and charanam.
what becomes, क्या उसमें कमी रह गई?
Is there any lack?
Nothing lacking.
Not lacking anything.
Nothing lacking.
So you should have faith like this, and you can. Now, अरे घड़ी कहाँ गई?
घड़ी तो फेंक दी इन्होंने, टेप लगा दी चारों तरफ।
ये तो 7 हो गया यही. Now,
नाम गुला अनाउंस करा सकते हैं।
तेरी बेटे, आज हरि कथा ही नहीं हुई. I wanted to tell so many Srimad Bhagavatam, so beautiful pastimes of Krishna. Now, I will have to tell both times pastimes instead of.
Monastic.
And I want daily to come at 5:30 here, but I cannot reach. I cannot walk so quickly here.
Private lessons.
अच्छा तो नाम बोलो. Stop all your.
आशीर्वाद दिए फूलो आना है।
कि
ओके आशीर्वाद दिए फूलो आना है।
अच्छा.
Today, the devotees have taken initiation in this morning. We request them to please stand up. Madhusudan Prabhu.
Where?
Here.
What name?
Yes, Madhusudan Prabhu.
You are so lucky to have this name. Madhusudan Das Dasadhikari ki. Who is Madhusudan? Who is Madhusudan?
Madhusudan is the name of Krishna.
How?
He's always
He takes all the charms
Honey.
and
Madhu mane honey.
Attraction
Love and affection.
world, attraction of material worlds. Who takes? Krishna. So he is Madhusudan. And also he will test the honey of your love and affection. So he is Madhusudan. So you are lucky. Gaur Premanande.
Shama Priya Didi.
Oh, very good. Shama Priya is best name.
He has taken picture.
So Shama Priya is name. Shama Priya is so well named. So I have given you
Yes.
this. So it is Shama Priya Dashi ki.
Nitya Manjari Devidasi.
Very good. What name? Same name. Nitya Manjari Dashi ki.
Then Robin, who is husband of Krishna Balaba.
Yes, Robin. You are so fortunate that you have taken initiation. You should try to be very bold and strong. Never give up. And follow also Ekadasi and what I have told you.
Yes.
Radha Balaba.
Radha Vallabha Prabhu ki. Good name?
Oh, Krishna Vallabha, Radha Vallabha.
Oh, Vallabh. Very good. Very good.
Family Balaba.
And
Then Krishna Balaba. Didi.
very good. Krishna Vallabha Dasi ki.
Jennifer.
Never?
ওই যে মেয়ে দাঁড়িয়ে আছে
Oh.
যশোদা দেবী
Oh, Jashoda Devi ki very good name.
Panchali Devi Dasi.
Panchali, you are? Oh, very good. Panchali. কি নাম দিয়েছি?
নাম দেন ওর আগে থেকে নাম ছিল যেরকম
Oh, this is good name. Do you like this name? Very good. Panchali Devi ki. Do you know who is Panchali? You know who is Panchali? Yeah. Very near and dear to Krishna. Very beloved to Krishna. Krishna was beloved to this Draupadi. Huh.
Kesava Brahmachari.
Where is Keshav?
নেক্সট
Very good. Very good. What name?
কৃষ্ণ
Do you
কান্তি
not want Keshav name? Should I change? What you want?
Like Keshava?
अच्छा one name কি রেখেছিল?
কৃষ্ণ কান্তি
Krishna Kanti. You can choose any of them.
কেশব আর কৃষ্ণ কান্তি
Which one you like better?
Keshav is
Kanti
good.
or Keshava?
Huh?
কেশব
Oh. So Keshav Prabhu ki. Keshav.
নন্দা সেবা
Huh?
Nanda Seva Brahmachari.
ওই যে দাঁড়িয়ে আছে
He is sleeping in.
না না
Oh, very good. What name?
নন্দা শুনু
Oh, Nanda Sonu.
Nandan.
নন্দন
Nandan Prabhu ki jai. Krishna Nandan. Very good.
Radha Binod Dasi.
Oh, very good. What
রাধা
name?
বিনোদিনী
Radha Binodini Dashi ki. Binodini. Radha Binod means Krishna.
সেম নেম
No? And Radha Binodini Srimati Radhika. Today is the
নাম চিন্তামণি
all.
One more.
ওয়ান মোর
Nama Chintamani.
Oh, very good. What we have selected?
ওটা তো হই
You
নাম
like
হয়েছে
this
যে
name?
নাম চেঞ্জ
You want another name?
Who gave you this name?
My father.
Achha. Ram Chintamani. Any good? Good.
চন্দ্রিকা দেবী
Huh? No.
চন্দ্রিকা
Oh. Gaurpriya নাম আছে তো।
দিলেন তো কয়দিন আগে
আচ্ছা।
রাধা প্রিয়া
রাধাপ্রিয়া তো কত আছে।
এখানে নাই তো
Gauramrita.
राधा प्रिया देवी की राधा प्रिया दासी no very near and dear to Radhika.
ওই গ্র্যান্ড সেরেমনি দেন
Acha. Today is very also pure Ekadasi and this is the birthday of any devotee whose name is
গোপবৃন্দপাল
Gopavandapal Prabhu ki. I am calling here. I request here to come here. Only giving. My benediction, my heartly blessings to you. Not to
For feast.
not giving. Give a very. You should give to. Very quickly.
ডিস্ট্রিবিউট করো
क्या तुमने ये कर सकते?
मैं उठे माजी
ए, जल्दी जल्दी नाम करो जल्दी बोलो ओम
স্বস্তি নো
स्वस्ति नो
গোবিন্দः
गोविन्दः स्वस्ति नो
অচ্যুতানন্ত
अच्युतानंद
বাসুদেব
वासुदेव
বিষ্ণু
विष्णु
দধাতু
दधातु
স্বস্তি নো
स्वस्ति नो
নারায়ণ
नारायण
নর বৈ
नरो वै
স্বস্তি নঃ
स्वस्ति नः
পদ্মনাভ
पद्मनाभ
পুরুষোত্তম
पुरुषोत्तम
দধাতু
दधातु
স্বস্তি নো
स्वस्ति नो
বিশ্বক্সেন
विश्वक्सेन
বিশ্বশ্বরः
विश्वेश्वर
হরি
हरि
দধাতু
हरे
স্বস্তি নো
स्वस्ति नो
অঞ্জনাসুত
अंजना
অনু
मनु
ভাগবত
भागवत
দধাতু
दधातु
স্বস্তি
स्वस्ति
স্বস্তি
स्वस्ति
সুমঙ্গলৈক ঈশো
ईशो
মহা
মহা
শ্রীকৃষ্ণ
श्रीकृष्णः
সচ্চিদানন্দ
सच्चिदानन्द
ঘনः सर्वेश्वरेश्वरो दधातु ओम स्वस्ति ओम स्वस्ति ओम स्वस्ति
कल्याणं भवतु कल्याण कृष्ण भक्तिर्भवतु राधा कृपा कटाक्ष भवतु
मालाटा काटा दीते हैं नहीं सारी चीजें नहीं काट
Whose mala is this? Who gave
took
me?
initiation today
You can take.
मार फुल सरी दा कापता
Now Krishna has become, his age is 30 days. And up till now, 30 days or 90, I don't remember. But now, this very day in morning, up till now he was not able to
change his side.
turn his,
Change his side.
yes, he was not.
3 months.
He can kill Putana. Even he can take on his finger whole world. He can do anything. Only sleeping there. Jogmaya, always serving. And all the incarnations of Krishna, all prastut,
Ready.
Present. Ready to.
or
Were ready to
obey him. But he cannot himself. Only Mother Yashoda will come, give his breast, and then he will do like this or that. He cannot do anything. But at very morning today, this, not today, this very day,
90
when became 90,
90
yes,
3 months.
90 days old,
Yes.
then in the morning, Yashoda was churning, and she saw at once the boy took himself this side, and she became so happy. So many cow herd wives were there, gopis were there. They became also, and that very day was the same nakshatra,
Same star.
constellation, same of birthday. So Yashoda began to cook, prepare so many kinds of preparations, sweet. Rabadi, puri, kachaudi, laddu, manohar laddu, and so many things. She was quietly observed. She put her child, Krishna, in a palanquil,
Swing.
swing. A palanquil,
Cradle.
Achha. Anyhow, I don't know so many things. So he put and told someone to swing. And so many boys came, who were in elder age, and they are sometimes doing like this. Krishna was playing, smiling sometimes weeping, sometimes felling his feet like this, sometimes giving his feet toe in his mouth. She was so happy. And Yashoda was doing. In the meantime, boy began to weep bitterly. Why he was so hungry? If they want to call their mother, they will weep. So she began to weep. But Yashoda was so absorbed that he could not hear. And in the meantime, all the old ladies and ladies like mother, all were assembled there. And they began to sing, what? Govinda Dam संघंटयन्तो मुशलै प्रमुग्धा गायन्ति गोप्या जनितानुरागा गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति. All were absorbed. And Krishna was weeping, but no one is hearing. But after sudden, a very big sound came. And they at once run towards Krishna. What happened? They saw that very bullock cart with 4
Wheels.
wheels, very big. And so many pots were kept on that. So much dadi, dugdha,
Yogurt, milk.
and everything. So the cart was fully
Upside down.
upset,
Upside down.
upside down. And all the vessels were broken. Curd and milk and so many things
Scattered everywhere.
scattered. Some boys were there. So when Nanda Baba came, Yashoda Maiya came, and all came running, the boys were telling, Father Nanda Baba, this boy only was playing with his force, and he touched this cart, and it was.
Fell over.
But anyone could not believe. The thing was that there was a very big demon, friend to Kansa. Kansa told that, I want that you should kill that boy Nanda boy, that Nandanandan, the son of Krishna. He is now 3 months age. I send my sister, that is
Putana.
But he never returned because he went in a shape. But you should be very careful. Don't take any shape. And anyhow, you should try to smash that boy. He was so intelligent, and he came there, and he entered in that.
Bullock cart.
You know how? As if a iron is kept in fire, and then fire goes in
Iron.
iron. If you will touch, then fire will burn. But iron will not.
Burning.
So that demon went in the cart and became so heavy. And Krishna Palankol, or what? Cradle was hanged to this in the middle of the cart.
Under.
So that no sun rays, hot, or so much rain or anything can touch Krishna. And boys were there doing like this, and Krishna was playing. And he wanted to crush Krishna. So he became so heavy. And the 4 wheels went down in the earth. And when he wanted to smash Krishna, only playing like this, and touched the card. And at once, and that demon was killed. Krishna told that, I was playing, and if you went card, and I touched my toes, and you became like this, what can I do? I wanted to play with you, but we will play in where?
Golok.
Golok, we can play there. So come on there. Anyone who will come to me,
I never
I
let
will
him go.
never give up them. In any way. Even becoming enemy, or lust, or sneha, affection,
or fear,
love, fear,
envious,
any relation, anyone come, I will never give up them. So I want that you should play with me, being my court there, bullock cart. So he became bullock cart there, and Krishna used to. So anyone, if have any relation to Krishna, with lust, even worldly lust, no harm. Krishna knows, he is so expert in making clear or
Pure.
Yes, he will do. So anyone loving Krishna in anything.
Mood.
All other incarnation of Krishna cannot do like this. They can kill anyone, any demon, and they cannot give salvation. They can do that. He can take birth in very rich family or praising all others. Then. But Krishna, like Shishupal, Dantavakra, Agasur, Bakasur, anyone, he will come, he will never give up them. He will make his friends like. So Krishna is so merciful. Another day also, Jashoda was taking Krishna and giving his breast. Anyhow, Kansa knew that, oh, my friend has been put to death. He called any other friend. And he was so expert in yoga,
Mystic power.
mystic powers. He told that you should be careful. You should go to Nanda, Baba, Gokul, and try to smash that boy, anyhow kill. Oh, I am so expert. But don't be like Putana and pull out that. You should not be like, oh, I am so expert, you should not. I will kill and surely come to you that this boy is finished. He was so clever and intelligent. He took the shape of air that anyone cannot see. And he came. And he was thinking anything, how to kill this boy. But Jashoda was there, taking Krishna in his lap and giving. In the meantime, Krishna saw that, oh, my friend has come. So, he became so heavy, very heavy, so many hundredweights. And Jashoda Maiya thinking, why so heavy? And she was thinking some pain, realizing. So he kept Krishna there. And in time, a very big wind, Andi, whirlwind came. And it began to uproot very big trees. And so much big stones were
Flying.
Flying in the air.
flying in the air. And so much dust came in Vrindavan. Have you gone to India and seen any like that? No? So much dust that all became blind. And in the meantime, he saw that Krishna is now here. Jashoda was searching Krishna. Where is Krishna? But not Krishna. He began to weep loudly. No one was hearing. And in the meantime, Krishna wanted. He saw in the morning today that birds are flying in the air. So he was talking that I should be bird and I should fly. In the air. He wanted to test these things. So gradually, this Yogamaya brought that demon in that shape. And Krishna at once took his
Neck.
Embraced him.
Neck.
not embrace,
Neck.
like this.
Hold the neck of.
Held on to the neck.
And he began to fly here and there. And when he was satisfied, quickly he did and Rasagulla too cancelled. Red two Rasagulla came out. You know? No? Red Rasagulla?
Gulab jamun.
It came. And Krishna told me, why you are becoming so? I was playing with you, being like this. But why Rasagulla and everything, your red something, Kalin is coming. And he fell flat in anyhow in the very big piece of
Rock.
stone. And he was smashed. But Krishna was at same time doing like this, playing there.
Same position.
All gopis came running. Jashoda Maiya was in faint. So they took Krishna from there and they gave it to the lap of Krishna,
Jashoda.
Jashoda Maiya. And Jashoda Maya, Nanda Baba called so many Brahmins, Gargacharya, Sandilya Rishi, and all Jaimini, and all came Brahmins. Oh, certainly this was a very big demon. Krishna is so fortunate. And you are so dharmic. Dharmic means religious person. You have worshipped Narayan. And that is why he has shaped this boy. Otherwise, he has gone to death, and I know that your pious activities have taken this boy from the mouth of death, and he has given. So today you will have to give
Big feast.
so many cows
In charity.
in charity donation to Brahmins like us. So many cows. Huh? How many cows? So many cows with golden ornaments. Sing
Horns.
horn with
Covered with gold.
gold
And hoop covered
and
with
hoop
covered,
covered
silver.
with
Silver.
silver and goldly any cloth, silk and cloth on that. And having 25 kilos, more than 40 kilos dood, milk daily, and very good white
Calves.
calves like Rajhansa.
So on.
Oh, all Brahmins came and began to do. No? What? That mantra, reciting mantra.
Lalate kis-
ललाटे केशवं ध्याये नारायणं अथोदरे वस्तक्षले माधवं गोविन्दं कण्ठकोपके
विष्णुञ्च दक्षिणकुक्षौ
दक्षिणकोक्षे
बाहौ च
मधुसूदन
त्रिविक्रमकन्दरे
रेतु वामनं वामपार्श्वके
श्रीधरं वामबाहोस्तु ऋषिकेशस्तु कन्दरे पृष्ठेषु पद्मनाभं च कट्टं दमदरं नये.
all to whom they are going to say and give benediction. To himself, Supreme Personality of Godhead is like a son, but they never thought that he is God, anything. He is so weak that he cannot turn over.
by himself.
She cannot speak anything. She is always crying, I am weeping. And Brahmins told that, bring a very black cow with black calves. They brought. He took some
Cow dung.
cow dung and
Urine.
urine of that cow and mixed it like
Paste. Paste. Paste.
paste. And then they took the tail of that black cows in that, and they were doing so much. They did abhishek means bath of Krishna, and now they told, oh, now it is all right. All demons and everything has gone. Now you can take and go and sleep. So this very beautiful pastimes of Krishna. Even Krishna is Supreme Personality of God, so many 6 kinds of affluence in topmost. But he is doing all are charmed. All gopis wants to come to Krishna and see and to play and to make play, to carry what? Doing
Carousing.
carousing and doing so. And blessing, like we bless to
Gopavrinda Prabhu.
all that blessing to them. Gaur Praman. Jai Jai Radha Raman Hari Bol. Jai Jai Radha Raman Hari Bol. Go on.
So please all sit in this area. Make some room here for the dance. Hare Krishna, today is Ekadasi Tithi. Tomorrow morning, 20 minutes time. So be careful that you are breaking your Ekadasi. Between 5:45, asked me to make a request to all the devotees who are here. After prasadam, midday prasadam and evening prasadam,
sugar, all this. Also, and also one your little baby cow.
Yes, you bring the cow and we'll worship.
Kalindi's daughter.
Also tonight we have a very special dance to be put on by Nipur Nilachala's daughter, Hari Balava. She'll come and tell you about it. It's something very, very special. She's been practicing for some time, and this is not something she does very often to show everybody. So it's a
Their mercy, they'll forgive any mistakes or offenses.
कस्तूरी तिलकं ललाटपटले वक्षस्थले कौस्तुभं सुललितं कण्ठे च मुक्तावली गोपस्त्री परिवेशितो विजयते गोपाला चूडामणि
That Markandeya. Not here. Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol. Let them come. Sorry. Only you should do. You can.
Hare
My name is Yagyo Pabokta.
Yagyo
Pabokta.
From Swamiji.
I'm happy to meet you. I'm very happy to meet you.
Padatri Raj. Padatri Raj.
Padatri Raj.
Prabhupada named me king of the birds.
Also initiated from Swami.
I did this, I'll give it to you.
So happy to meet you.
He was in Kartik. He came to Kartik. He came to Kartik
with us.
With
Yes, with
Padapya.
us.
With Padapya.
He sang song.
I wanted to meet Padap.
You are kind of. You are not here? Where is that song?
Gurudev, si devono serio, se must follow the tradition, we must give us nice flower.
The plant is without flower. All have to
Offer you. Offer you, Gurudev.
Otherwise they will be blessings to you all.
The storm came in. Very nice picture.
Very nice.
From the roof there. I took for you.
Yes.
Wanted you to have it.
It is presentation to me.
Yes. I'll take this thinking of you.
But if it was full, also.
Yeah.
You have to come now again to Kartik. So you can take another picture.
Yes, I have to take full.
This year you'll come and get the rest of it.
Hare Krishna.
Prepare so many preparation for tomorrow Annapur Mahotsav and so much. Come on, all have done so well, but something lacking. I know. Where? On
tune, you should keep your feet like that. But I want that you should please Klesh by your dance. I heartily bless you.
Yes, you can record, and sometimes if button to record. So sometimes, you know, I'll be doing something where it's going REC for record. That means the tape is rolling, like this. When I